Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep JK headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T15 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and your new 7-inch round LED headlights. Make sure your Jeep is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. We'll go step by step, making this upgrade straightforward and easy for anyone to do at home. Now, let's remove the front grille. You'll see 6 plastic clips along the top edge. Use your flathead screwdriver to pop these out. Once those are free, gently pull the bottom of the grille outwards. It's held by several friction clips, so a firm but careful tug will release them. Set the grille aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged during the next steps. With the grille off, you can now access the headlights. Each headlight is secured by a retaining ring, which is held in place by 4 T15 Torx screws. Unscrew these 4 screws and carefully remove the retaining ring. Then, gently pull the old headlight assembly straight out from its housing. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight by pressing the release tab and pulling it apart. It's time to install your new headlights. First, connect the new headlight's electrical plug to your Jeep's harness, ensuring a secure connection. Carefully place the new 7-inch headlight into the housing, making sure it sits flush. Reinstall the retaining ring and secure it with the 4 T15 Torx screws. Finally, reattach the front grille, ensuring all clips are engaged, and test your new headlights to confirm they work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.